When we go to our cart and we can update the square feet here, we can hit the continue button. On the right hand side here, we want to display the total price as well as quantity inside the view. So let's fix that. We'll stop the application and we'll go to the cart controller. In here, we will go to the summary action method for the get, and where we are passing the product list, we have the shopping cart here. Based on the cart, we are getting all of the products from the database. Now when we have the shopping cart, in there we also have the square feet. We do not have the square feet inside this prod list. It exists inside the shopping cart list. So we cannot assign the product list to be the prod list because in there the square feet has not been populated. So we'll just remove that from here where we are assigning the prod list, and we'll do that down below. So here we'll have the for each, and we will iterate through each of the cart object in our shopping cart. So we will filter out each of the products here. So we'll retrieve the product temp, and for each one of them we'll go to our prod repo and we will get the first.default based on u.id is equal to cart obj.product id. Once we retrieve the product, we can set the prod temp.square feet. So the temp square feet is inside the cart object dot square feet. Once we assign the square feet to that particular product, we can add that temporary product inside our view model.productlist.add, and we'll keep on adding each and every product that we have inside the shopping cart. So ultimately our view model will have all the products with the square feet. Then we'll go to our summary view and we will display the square feet. If we scroll down where we have the for loop, after the @6 for the name, what we will do is we'll add a if condition and we'll check if the user is an admin user. If it is an admin user, then what we want is we want to display the temp square feet. So we'll copy the price in the if condition, and in the else block we'll keep the price. Rather than price, if it's an admin, we will display the temp square feet. So we'll make that change here. The else part looks good. Outside of this div, we will have one more if condition, and we will check if user is in role admin again. Then what we want to do is we want to display the total price for that particular product. So we'll add a span with some of the bootstrap classes, and in there we'll display the $sign, and with the razor code we will do the multiplication of prod list of I dot price multiplied by the prod list of I dot temp square feet. Let me save this and let's run our application to see how things look so far. We still need to work on the order total, but let's first make sure what we have is working correctly. We'll add items to the cart, and let's log in to the admin user, go to the cart, we'll change the square feet, and we'll hit continue. Here we have the $sign. Let me remove that. We'll go back, we'll remove the $sign, go back and refresh, and perfect. We have 5 square feet and the total price is $100. So it is multiplying correctly. Next, let's display the order total. When we switch back after the for loop, let's add an if condition. Within the for loop, we need to display the order total. So in here, let me add a new variable for order total before the for loop. And inside the for loop, what we will do is we will increment that order total for every product. So we'll say order total plus equal to we'll add the price multiplied by the temp square feet. Now in the if condition, we have user.isInRole wc.admin role, and in here we will add an li with some of the bootstrap classes for list group item, deflex, justify content between, and bglite. We will add a small here and give a bootstrap class for text info. We will display the order total here. Then within the strong, we will display the final total, which is the razor variable order total. Let's go back and refresh, and great, we see the order total. So with this in our summary page, now we have the square feet and grand total. If we log out and log in as a user, and if we examine to our cart, continue, here we do not see the summary changes that we made. These changes are exactly what it were before. So we are not modifying anything for the user role. We are changing only for the admin role. So let me log in back to the admin user, and let's continue again in the next video.